So welcome back, guys. On this project, welcome to a brand new video. On this project, we'll start, instead of us starting everything of the bag, we'll start from the handle. So this is what we'll be measuring for the strap. We'll measure 20 inch. This is 20 inch. This is 20 inch. You measure two of this for the strap. So when you measure one, you fold it this way and you bring it down here and you cut. This is 20 inch. So I don't think we need this for now again. This strap here we already cut. So this is aside. So these are the handle. You cut your foam to this side. You know, I show you, you shape it the way it is here. I hope you are seeing it clearly. Then this is the strap we need. This is the extension for the strap. These are the ring, the adjuster and the ring we are using. And this is the other tiny rope we used to sew this place around. So I will see you after I finish sewing it. So guys, these are the two strap. These are the two extensions for the strap we'll be using. You cut it into two. And by the way, this is 3 by 2. This side is 2 inch, while this side is 3 inch. So what you do, you fold it like this. There's no particular measurement for the folding. You fold it the way you want it to be. Then you take this as well. There's no particular side you want it to be as deep as, but at least try as much as possible for it to go inside, so that when you sew it to the side back of the backpack, it will look normal. Make sure the two are accurate on the same level. That's the reason why I checked the first one to see if it's the same thing as this. I don't want to see any unnecessary mistake. As simple as that. So there you have it for the strap. It will be at the side of the bag. So the next thing we'll be doing now is the handle. We'll tape it round. It is called taping. We'll tape it round. We keep this aside the strap. So this is what we use. As you can see, this and these are not the same thing. This is more thicker than this. So you loosen for you to get what you want. I don't want this to scatter, so I will put the pin back to stop it from. You cut your foam, as I told you earlier, you cut your foam to the size of this. So the foam replaces the padding. If you are not using your Mako inside for the padding, you use the foam instead of the Mako. Or maybe sometimes you use the Mako and the foam together for you to give it a stability and a balance with a good feeling in your shoulder. So guys, keep watching and I'll see you at the end when I'm done with this. guys, we are, as you can see, we are almost through with this. This is how you do it. You make sure you tape it round. You make sure it's accurate. We don't want any mistake, because you want your bag to look nice and good. So you cut the left one, cut it off. We are done with this. And this is what we have left. You see, as you can see, this is the back. When you are taping, this is how normally this is how you make it to be, and this is the front, is as good as how you want it to be. And this is the 2 strap. So the next thing we are going to do is to insert this ring to it, this square ring. So you want to place the handle this way. This ring normally you measure 3 inches for this rope, for this strap, this rope here. Or no, you can make it to the longer way you want it to be, but normally we measure 3 inches. So that's what we'll be doing next. Now you put this way. There is no basic measurement. You just use your eyesight to gauge it, because you want this end to be here, so that when the strap is here, if you are using the bag, here will be a stopper for it. So you will start it and double stitch. The same to the next one, for you to get the accurate of how you want this to be. You make sure you size it with the first one you did, so it's the same thing I'm looking for. Then you do the same thing you did to the first one. Make sure it's at the middle. So this is what we want our hand to look like. So guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next part of the bag, making the handle. That's the next.